Why do 70% of Samsung TV owners experience a black screen? Here's how to fix it. First, try a soft reset. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for 60 seconds. Then press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. Next, check all power and cable connections. Ensure the power cord is firmly connected to both the TV and the wall. Inspect HDMI and other input cables for secure connections and damage. Still black? Test the input source. Use the source button on your remote to cycle through inputs. Connect a different device or try a different HDMI port. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, then General and Privacy, and select Reset. Enter your PIN and confirm. Remember, this will erase all settings. Lastly, if the issue persists, contact Samsung support or a professional technician. Good luck!